If you've been looking for a spacious single-family home that has a long list of newly remodeled items, 818 Taylor in Laguna Vista is the one you've been waiting for. Within the last 5 to 6 years, the current owner has added a new tile roof, a circular driveway, and a patio. Major systems such as the air conditioning, water heater, electrical, and plumbing have all been upgraded. The home has been wired for a security system and is connected to the natural gas lines.
Hello, and welcome to 818 Taylor. Come on in and have a look around.
Interior updates include new sheetrock and paint, baseboards and trim, interior and exterior doors, tile flooring, cabinets and countertops, sinks and showers, and plumbing and lighting fixtures.
The kitchen has new cabinetry and granite countertops. There is so much cabinet and counter space in this kitchen, and just look at the built-in pantry. Down this hallway, we'll find 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Let's check it out. There's a large linen closet in the hallway. This bedroom features a large closet with built-in shelving.
This bedroom, which connects to the main bedroom, has endless possibilities. It could be a small child's room, a sitting room, an office, or a dressing room.
And just like the first bedroom, this one also features a large closet with built-in custom shelving.
Both bedrooms have easy access to the hall bath.
The main bedroom features a separate entrance to the outside, 2 closets, and an ensuite bath.
This bath features gorgeous glass tile work and a huge walk-in shower with a rainforest shower head.
And now let's check out what could be the 4th bedroom or the bonus room. And this bedroom, just like all the others, has a closet with custom built-in shelving. And now let's check out the patio, which is enclosed and air conditioned. And now let's check out the garages. They're both air conditioned, have custom tile flooring, storage, and a bathroom. Why, even the garage has a closet with built-in shelving.
In addition to the two-car garage, other parking areas include the circular driveway, carport, and a paved area at the front of the house. Are you wondering what this home might look like furnished? Let's add some virtual furniture and decor.
And that concludes our tour of 818 Taylor. If you'd like to see it in person, contact your favorite local real estate agent.